IRS Form 3800 is the General Business Credit Form. Businesses and individuals who claim one or more business tax credits use this form to aggregate all allowable credits into a single amount. The General Business Credit is a collection of over 30 individual credits covering activities such as research and development, low-income housing, disabled access, employer-provided childcare, and work opportunity hiring. The credits can offset regular income tax and, in some cases, the alternative minimum tax. Part 1 of Form 3800 is a list of all the individual business credits that make up the General Business Credit. For each credit you are claiming, you check the applicable box and enter the credit amount computed on the separate credit-specific form. Common credits include the research credit from Form 6765, the low-income housing credit from Form 8586, the work opportunity credit from Form 5884, and the employer-provided childcare credit from Form 8882. You carry the total of all individual credits into Part 2. Part 2 of Form 3800 calculates the allowable credit for the current year, applying the tax liability limitation. The General Business Credit generally cannot exceed your net income tax reduced by the tentative minimum tax, with some exceptions for certain qualifying credits. Any portion of the credit that exceeds the limitation is first carried back 1 year and then carried forward up to 20 years. Part 3 tracks the carry-forward amounts from each credit separately, because individual credits within the General Business Credit may have different carry-forward rules. Attach Form 3800 and all supporting credit forms to your income tax return. Elected small business credits, pass-through entity credits, and credits from members of cooperatives are reported in separate portions of the form. Keep detailed records supporting each credit claimed, including payroll records for employment credits and research documentation for the R&D credit, because the IRS frequently examines business credits. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.